Hi, I'm Caleb at Vintegrate, and this is how to create a lead in Lead Docket in less than 5 minutes. Welcome back to Lead Docket. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a lead in Lead Docket. This is the second video in the series. The first one was a tour of Lead Docket. Remember that this is the Vintegrate Lead Docket environment, so it will look a little bit different than yours. And we're going to start here on the intake dashboard. The first way to enter a new lead or to create a lead inside of Lead Docket is to click on Add New Lead up here in the top left. Typically, what we're talking about here is a walk-in or a phone call of someone who is interested in your services. This would be very similar to what you are already doing, your standard process. This form should look similar to what you are already using from the standpoint of the different fields, first name, last name, address, things like that. So let's go ahead and put in a name. Melissa Martin, for example. Notice the ones with asterisks, those ones are required fields. We'll go ahead and come down. Let's assume that we're filling in all of this information, which we are. Marketing source is required, so we'll put in billboard, contact source, after hours call service. We'll talk more about this, but there are these little circles with the I inside of it for information. So marketing source, how did you hear about us, versus contact source, where did you get our number? Case type, general personal injury, for example. You may have multiple case types. In the summary, we'll type something in there. Great. And we have some additional information here that you may or may not have, but down here at the bottom is something that we all for sure have in common. Severity level, we'll say 3, office, assigned to the intake, great, and lead status. Now we're going to talk a lot more about lead status later, but we'll just put assigned in there, assigned to attorney, myself, create and return to dashboard. As soon as we create and return to dashboard, that lead is now in the system, and we can view that lead over here in the assigned status. Now let's talk about opportunities. Opportunities are potential leads that typically have not been contacted yet. We're talking about a web chat, website form, text message campaign, after hours, or overflow call service. So we're going to come over here into the opportunities box, and we can see that we've got 2 opportunities. Let's go ahead and click on one of them. This is going to be almost identical to what we did. Same form with a few differences. The information from the text message or the web chat, for example. And then some information has been filled out already, such as the phone number is already in here. We can fill this information out. We can call the opportunity, talk to the opportunity, and figure out if this is a case that we're going to take. As we scroll down, we're filling that out, and then we can click Create and Return to Dashboard, just like we did before, and it'll take us to the intake dashboard. That's how we put a lead into Lead Docket. As far as how we manage those leads, remember to do things. Make sure that we're staying on top of everything that needs to be done. That's where the lead statuses come in over here on the right-hand side, and we're going to address that in the next video.